Hi, are you falling short of your health insurance coverage? What happens if your health insurance coverage is exhausted before the renewal? What if you're hospitalized twice in the same year? Will you pay from your pocket? Don't worry. Here is the solution. Max Bupa Reassure gives you more. Let's see.
The next big thing to health, Reassure benefit, gives you more. It is unlimited, allows unlimited reinstatement of sum insured for any illness or any person in the same year, which is triggered from the first claim itself, so that you can claim as many times as you need it. Example, a family of four, husband, wife and two kids, got diagnosed with COVID-19 and admitted in a hospital for treatment. Fortunately, they have 10 lakh reassure policy to take care of their hospitalization expenses. How does it work, friends? So unlimited claims, unlimited times reassure benefit is added. That is first point. Second point, whatever the balance left from the reassured will not be carried forward. So any single claim from reassure benefit will be paid up to base sum assured only. And this reassure benefit provides unlimited sum assured for same and different illness as well at no extra cost. Understood, friends?
Is your claim truly cashless? Is your health insurance company paying 100% claim? There is a zero debt concept in motor insurance. Have you heard the same in health insurance as well? Yes, that is there in Max Bupa Reassure gives you more. In Max Bupa Reassure, we can choose safeguard option, get 100% coverage on your medical expenses. No need to worry about the consumables which are not payable during the hospitalization. Example, convenience charges, gloves, nebulization kits, oxygen masks and etc. Right? What benefits I'm getting if there is no claim in the particular year? What is the NCB of this plan? Let's see.
Get more protection with booster benefit. In case of no claim, sum insured doubles itself in 2 years at no extra cost. Example. Here is the example, friends. If there is no claim in the first year, the coverage will increase by 50%. If the sum insured is 10 lakhs, it will become 15 lakh. And similarly, in the second year again, if there is no claim, 15 lakh will become 20 lakh. Let's see what happens if there is a claim in the next year. Normal scenario, friends, like this normal scenario is there in all other insurance companies. As the sum insured becomes double in 2 no claim years, there will be, if there is a claim in the subsequent year, no claim bonus reduces in the same proportion. But in Max Bupa Reassure, booster benefit will not be impacted if claims are up to 50,000 in a year. It means if the claim is below 50,000 in that particular year, your sum insured will not reduce with this safeguard option. Now, prevention is always better than cure. Max Bupa Reassure is providing a unique health checkup facility. How can I claim it?
It's for living healthy, so why wait? Both cashless and reimbursement facilities available. In the cashless, we can schedule a cashless health checkup appointment by calling customer care, or in the reimbursement, if you yourself have a health checkup, say suppose if you are going to nearby any diagnostic center which is convenient for you, you can claim those bills as well. This benefit is applicable annually. If it is an individual plan, it is per member basis. If it is a family floater plan, it is per plan basis. So these are the defined list of tests you can claim, and the worth is 500 rupees for every 1 lakh sum insured, and this is limited to 5,000 rupees in individual plan and 10,000 rupees per family floater. The beauty of the plan is you can avail the health checkup from day one. If the policy is issued from the day one, you can start availing this facility. No need to wait till the renewal, right? So now coming to the introducing of live healthy benefits. How can we avail these benefits? Check it out.
No rocket science, No complex things. Simply walk. Daily steps taken can give you discount on your renewal premium. Earn one healthy point for every 1000 steps you walk and earn a discount. Earn 2250 points in a year to get 5% discount on your renewal premium in an individual policy and 2.5% discount on a floater policy. Do you have the habit of walking daily, friends? If you have the habit of walking daily, you can earn more healthy points, so more discounts. Let's see how. Up to 3000 points in a year, you can earn 15% discount for an individual policy and 7.5% discount for a floater policy. And up to 3750 points, earn 20% discount for an individual policy and 10% discount on a floater policy. More than 3751 points, there is a 30% discount for an individual policy and 15% discount on a family floater.
Let's see the Reassure benefits at a glance. Inpatient care and room accommodation covered up to sum assured without any capping. Pre and post hospitalization cover 60 and 180 days. Reassure benefit, as discussed in the slides, unlimited reinstatements for same and different illnesses. Booster benefit, live healthy benefit, preventive health checkup, modern treatment, shared accommodation cash benefit, emergency ambulance, home care treatment, daycare treatment, all daycare treatment covered till the sum assured, domiciliary alternative treatments, living organ transplant and second medical opinion, and the remaining optional we can add it, the safeguard benefit, personal accident cover and hospitalization. Hope you liked the plan and presentation. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more educational videos like this. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay healthy.